weren't invited.
Oh, we're the distraction.
Yeah. You gave Eustace. Oh.
Teamwork. Put your shit.
What?
One minute.
Eggshells up there. This, like,
Are
wow.
y'all done yet?
Yeah, because they got the eggs off the
So what are you doing?
Looking at your house, trying to sell it.
You're gonna scratch the window.
¿Quieres que te ayude?
Oh, okay. Well, I can't
Yesenia?
now, thank you.
How are you gonna build a pyramid like that?
How am I not?
No, I said like...
Take it in your wall.
Like if it's scratches or not. Damn.
Why are you watering the neighbor's plant? Guess I got the wall.
Hmm.
I think it'd be best if you did that.